When the goal is short-form animated video content, the tools available today are evolving fast. Two platforms stand out for content creators and teams: Pika AI and Kaiber AI. Both bring generative AI power into the animation workflow, but they take different routes and serve slightly different needs. Let's start with Pika AI. This tool is built for speed and ease of use. You can upload a static image or input a text prompt, and the system animates it with camera motion, lighting, visual effects. For example, Pika AI's image-to-video feature allows panning, parallax, and subtle object motion even from a single still image. It's ideal for creating short, eye-catching clips, social posts, promos, stylized visuals. The workflow is very low barrier, minimal editing skills required, fast turnaround. On the flip side, Pika's strength lies more in quick motion and style rather than deep scene complexity or audio sync features. Now let's look at Kaiber AI. This tool leans into animation control, visual customization, and even audio reactivity. With Kaiber's motion tool, you can upload an image or provide a prompt, adjust motion, camera moves, style, and you can sync visuals to music or audio tracks. Kaiber also offers template-based flows and tools like Motion Brush where you selectively animate parts of an image. So if your content team needs not just motion but also creative control, audio integration, and multi-scene potential, Kaiber offers more depth. In conclusion, for content teams needing fast, stylish animated clips with minimal fuss, choose Pika AI. For teams wanting richer animation capability, audio sync, multi-scene workflows, and are willing to invest slightly more time, choose Kaiber AI. Either way, both tools represent a jump forward in how easily short-form animations can be produced. Your team will be able to create visuals faster and with more creative freedom than ever before. If you like, I can pull together a feature-by-feature matrix comparing Pika AI and Kaiber AI, including cost models, length limits, export formats, team collaboration features that you can use as a reference sheet. Would you like me to build that?